Look at me, yeah, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? All right, so here we go. Today is the day I've been long waiting for, and finally the LS1 that we built, forged pistons, LS3 rods, BTR stage 2 cam setup, fast intake, and the ANA supercharger kit, everything is done and it is finally ready to start up. So yesterday my tuner came to the shop and he pulled the map off of there, started making adjustments, that way he can upload the HP tuners and get a correct fire up map on there. So today should be the day that this thing fires up. Hopefully nothing comes up, but I'm definitely looking forward to hearing this thing. I know it's gonna sound grande. I'm super juiced to get this thing started up and I really want to hear it. You guys know that I started originally building this C5 because my grandfather wanted a C5, and before he passed away, you know, we were looking at a red C5 together, and you know, things came up, cancer, grandpa passed. It was like literally, you know, everything happened hella quick. So me and him never got the chance to get that C5. That would have been the first car that we would have built together. My grandpa was into motorcycles, trucks, boats and stuff like that, but you know, that would have been the first car we built, and that's the reason I decided to get the C5 in the first place. Originally started as all motor, keep it simple, and then I went completely left field, freaking fully built LS1, and you know, here we are, and it's boosted now. But haven't owned the car that long. It's probably been maybe 3 months or so, something like that, since I got the car, and it's did like a full 360. And you know, the car looks good, it's gonna sound good, it's gonna run good, but I originally did this build for my grandfather. So I know a lot of my people are like import people, and they might be like, yeah, we want to see the 350, we want to see the SC, and vice versa. But you know, this build means a lot to me. That's why I've been trying to, you know, vlog it and push it as much as I have. So we're finally here and it's finally ready to start up. So hopefully you guys enjoy this, because you know, this for me is like a huge thing. But before I get into any of that, and before I get to the shop, you feel me, I gotta take care of this. You know, I got the baby face and this is as hairy as I get, and that's it. Your boy can't grow a beard. I got this cotton ball patchy McPatchums over here in my face, and I really got to get this cleaned up. So first I'm gonna go hit my barber and get lined up, and then we're gonna be jetting to the shop, and hopefully this thing's gonna start up today. But yeah, today's gonna be an incredible day, so let's get over there. And we're gonna take the 350 today. We all back, feel me, all cleaned up. No more scruff McGruff. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, copyright. So y'all know what time it is. Just getting here to the shop. Man, you see that Super? I'm gonna gap that thing whenever he's ready. But let's go check this thing out. I can hear Brett in there working. So 37 hours, 15 minutes, and 4 weeks later, my man's finally got here. All right, so while he's uploading that, I think it's time for me to jump on YouTube Live, because I promised y'all that I would jump on YouTube Live for the first startup of this. So let's switch over to the phone and get on this live. All right, so we ran into a little bit of a wiring issue. There's this jumper harness that I bought, and it basically connects the 5-pin mass airflow. So it'll have the 5-pin, and then it'll split off to the air intake temp sensor, because usually it goes into the intake with the plastic grommet. But on this one, it's all in one, so it basically connects with a jumper harness. And what was happening was they actually painted in backwards to where these two for the AIT were backwards. So right now, we're cutting that to get the connector, and then we're gonna basically splice into all this and redo it. So yeah. All right, so this is all done now, and the AIT is reading properly. So yeah, this is the way the new connector's looking. So just waiting for Kyle, then we're gonna try to start this thing up again, see how it goes.
Oh, my battery's about to die now.
Oh, you're killing us. Now you're talking about the battery on his laptop.
Oh, shit.
Jesus. We're gonna charge you for this electricity, man. You don't help pay no PG&E around this thing. Over here plugging in and stuff.
Dude, how many thousands of dollars have I given Brett in dyno time, dude? 3. Lots of thousands. Yeah, run better in speed density mode.
It doesn't like the math.
It's just completely different than the LS1 math, so it just needs 10. That's why it's running worse now. Just fine.
Are you gonna like change it with a later math curve or something?
I tried to find one that was out, but I don't have a tune from that.
They start with speed density and finish the math later.
I'll just do the math. When I get my wideband hooked up, I can get it dialed in.
Nice.
All right, so as you guys can see, the car does start up, and it sounds really, really good. Before I was like really concerned that these mufflers would probably be too quiet because it was super quiet on the stock setup, but with the heads and the cam now, it sounds really good, and you know, it sounds appropriate for a street car. So I can't wait to hear this thing screaming on the dyno. And we're just about to basically finish buttoning it up, get it on the ground, and then we're gonna move it over here to the rack. And then tomorrow, if Kyle has time, we're gonna be getting this thing, the tuning started, I should say, and hopefully we can get it done. But this is the ending of it, basically. We're at the final stages of it. As long as it survives the dyno, we are 100% good. Brett's stupid happy to get this thing off his lift. Look,
I'm so happy to work on another vehicle now.
it's been a minute, so I can't wait. I haven't seen this thing on the ground in hella long. It's gonna seem weird watching my car drive under its own power after so long. There it is, about to go on the ground for the first time in about 2 months or so. This thing has been all the way apart and hasn't been on the floor. This is a good feeling to see. Damn, he let us die, yo. You suck. No, you hella far. Go back. A little more. All right. So if all goes well, we shall be rolling this thing on the dyno tomorrow, at least to get it idling and, you know, running a little bit better. But I'm juiced. It's the first time I've heard this car start in hella long. It's the first time it's been on the ground in hella long. So seeing it actually roll and move under its own power is like refreshing. I really love this car. Like, look how sick this thing looks. Like, it's, in my eyes, probably one of the sickest C5s that I've seen. So I'm really happy with this build. I got the wide body at home that still needs to go in here. So once it's all done here and I get it back home, I am gonna be installing the wide body and just getting it looking even better. But things look sick. Looks good, sounds good. So we got the LS Tree 50Z and the LS Juan C5. So we got two LS's out the blue added to the archives. All right, so we're gonna be calling this night. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And like always, everybody that's been fucking with the channel, and yeah, I just want y'all to know I really do appreciate y'all fucking with the channel, because y'all could be doing something else, but yeah, y'all are always tuned in to your boy. So for those die-hard subscribers and followers and stuff that are always in tune with everything, thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. And I can't wait to get this car on the road and get some good content out for y'all. So yeah, until next time, we're wrapping this up. I'll see y'all in a couple days. See ya.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on, I've been on the come up.